Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you guys the plumbing system for this training system, and this is the roof plan water supply layout. I will explain you today. So before I start this video, I would like to request you all guys, if you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well. So I will explain you the layout for this plumbing system on the roof and how the water is passing through this pipe, and how the plumbing water supply layout is looks like. So you can see here the two riser is coming from this two riser, which is showing to this shaft. So the size of the diameter of the one pipe is 50 dia cold water supply from below, which is coming from the underground water tank up to the tank on the roof, which is going to the roof tank. So you can see this is the routing which is going here like this and directly going to this tank. This is raw water tank and filtration water tank. So this is enter to this raw water tank, and from this raw water tank it is going to this filtration pump for filtering purposes. Here you can see the backwash tank and water filtration system is installed here. So the water which is coming from the below, from domestic water, is coming from the underground water tank, is going to this raw water tank, and from this outlet of this raw water tank is through this filtration pump. 121 standby 2 pump is installed here, which take water from this tank and which send the water to this filtration system, and from filtration system it is going to this again to these three partitions. So here is the raw water and here is the treated wash water, and from this tank again the outlet is going. From this tank is the water from outlet after the backwash, after the filter, this filter water is going down again and supply to all these toilets. So here you can see there is one is raw water, and after filter through this filtration system is going to this tank. Again from the outlet of these two tanks is going to this booster pump, which is 3 booster pump. 2 is duty, 1 is a standby, and from the outlet of this booster pump, which is going 50 dia cold water supply, coming and going here down. You can see here to below 65 dia cold water supply going down for first floor and second floor. One more branch, so you can see here the one more branch going here to other toilets. Here 32 dia cold water supply to below. You can see here the first floor. How to identify this one? You can see here the 32 dia cold water supply, which is the same here. Okay, so 8 and 9, grid 8 and 9 you can identify here. Grid 8 and 9, the one pipe is coming to this toilet. Okay, and other pipe you can identify here. See the 65 dia cold water supply from above, which was coming this one. This is the 65 dia which are falling between grid 9 and 10. You can see here as well. Grid 9 and 10, 65 dia coming from the roof. Okay, next branch is, you can see here the 50 dia cold water supply to below, which falls between 6 and 7. So you can see here between 6 and 7 between 6 and 7. So here is the 50 mm dia cold water supply coming from the roof. Okay, and next your branch is here, 50 mm dia cold water supply to below, which falls near grid number 3. So you can check here also grid number 3, which is here, and you can see the 50 mm cold water supply to below. So near the grid, 50 mm cold water supply, grid number 3 here. Okay, 50 mm cold water supply from above. Similarly, the next is your next branch here, 32 mm cold water supply to below, which is fall near grid number 1. So grid number 1, you can see here there is no toilet, so this pipe is going directly to this ground floor, I think. Here is 32 mm dia cold water supply to below, so which is not showing here on the first floor, which is going down to the ground floor. So you can see here, this is the ground floor layout. 32 mm cold water supply which supply to these toilets. Okay, and same here, the same pipe I will show you, which this one 50 mm near the grid number 3, which is also coming from the top, because the shaft is same. So grid number 3 here, put dia cold water supply from above. That means the same riser is coming and distributed to both of these toilets. So you can see exactly which is facing near the to this shaft and which is near to this grid number 3. So here from the roof it is coming only from the roof, it is coming 50 mm near grid number 3. Okay, here you can see this is the shaft. From the roof 50 mm dia is coming and distributed to this branch. After that it is going to the down ground floor, which is distributed on this ground floor. The same riser is coming from the roof. Okay, here is the 40 mm cold water supply. Similarly for all other toilet, the same riser is coming from the roof. Okay, so you can see one pipe is going down here, which is going directly to this ground floor. So this is the ground floor down, and you can see this one is coming from this roof and one is going to the down. One is coming from the underground water, which is 60 mm dia cold water supply to above up to the tank. This one is going to this tank. Okay, so how it looks like, this will be visible in this the site location. So in the next video I will explain you how this water is coming from this underground water tank. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.